I'm building Akali's mask, and to do that I built the world's most expensive extension cable, and it's not even that long. It's also not even that expensive to make, so where did the money go? So why did I spend all this money? To make the mask work with the parts I found, it's better for the CPU and driver board to sit at the back. The problem is, the current screen and driver board are this close out of the box, and to top it off, the board gets uncomfortably hot. Not really something you want on your face. For anyone wondering what this build is about, click here, but for the rest of you, that's all I have for now. See you in the next update.